Hey everyone, so working on this book has left me with so little time to make videos the way I want, but in the meantime, I'll keep sharing these short form videos that I believe are still packed with invaluable knowledge bites and useful tips that you can enjoy and even learn something from in less than 2 minutes. The fear of failure can cripple our growth and progress, but most of us are unaware it's mostly mental. The sooner we understand this, the more capable we are to overcome it. And I'm going to share 4 things you can start doing right now. The usual thank you to those of you who supported my books, Pen and Drawing Simple Guide and the Pen and Drawing Workbook. Thank you. First, see all drawing as just problem solving. Why? This creates a shift in our mindset. Notice with yourself, when you're trying to fix something or figure something out, you actually expect errors, right? Or things not working. You don't give up or stop trying. So in drawing, many mistakes are opportunities to actually learn something, to deepen our understanding and refine our skills. Fear makes us freeze up and stop. But for me, it's like inertia. We're more likely to not move if we stop moving, but we're more likely to keep moving if we start. So don't stop altogether. Keep drawing through the fear. Practice a lot with small, unimportant things. The more mistakes we make, the more comfortable we get with making mistakes. And really quickly, before you forget, like the video, comment, subscribe, share. Just show you appreciate the content and want me to keep creating more videos like this for you. Thank you. Next, get out of your head. Having fear is not the problem. It's focusing on it. Fear feeds on our focus. Then comes our imagination. And oh boy, we envision and exaggerate every worst case scenario, embarrassment, feeling stupid, people criticize. Don't entertain it. 99% of the times, it's not that serious. Get out of your head, focus on action, and keep moving forward. Lastly, a common misconception is thinking it's bad to have fear. Fear can be useful. It keeps us mindful, but the reality is fear is natural and is going nowhere, right? It's what we do in spite of it, right? That's key. It's acknowledging it's okay to be afraid of failing, making mistakes, messing up, but we keep going forward anyway. Okay, everyone, thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. I'll see you in the next video.